Well, I've come for a quick social tonight with my mate down on the Trent. This is the first one I've had tonight. This one's just going £13. I think my mate's had about 8 out up to yet tonight, quite a few bream and chub. Let's give this one a rest and get it back. Well, I've got another nice one here. This one's gone £13 bang on as well. I thought it was going a little bit bigger with size of it, but check this one out. Come on, hold your stand still. Another absolute banger. Caught this one on the 20mm icer fish again. I think the big girls are out tonight. See if we can get one bigger than this. That'd be nice. Well, here we had the third one tonight. This one's probably going about £10. I ain't weighed this one. My mate who I'm with, he's just had a nice one at £15.5 tonight, he has. Absolute banger of a fish. Get this one back now and get the rod back out. So hopefully have his loaf, isn't it?